Hey there, YouTubers. Welcome to Tools of the Trade in Everyday Life with me, Rob. Today, I have a how-to video for you. It's a repair on my TriStar vacuum cleaner. The cord's broken inside, so it makes the vacuum turn on and off, when you don't want it to. So, I went to a TriStar dealer, got the new cord, and I figured we'd take this journey together and fix it ourselves. Should be very simple. 2 connections, a couple of bolts, should all come apart very easy, put back together easy. Well, let's start. First thing you'll need is basic hand tools. This one you need a hex drive, basic pair of pliers, and take your time, don't rush things, and also make sure the appliance is not plugged in for safety reasons so you don't get any shocks from working on it. Definitely important. You don't want your hair to raise up in the air and then lay flat. That's not good. Alright, let's start disassemble. Alright, so what I like to do is take all the loose components off. So, the cover, filter. And for everyone, this is a TriStar vac model number A101N. So if you have one of these, it might help you out. Alright, so look the unit over. So there is 1 bolt here, 1 here, 1 here, 3 here. Alright, let's get those off. Find the right hex. Oh, too big. Let's try this one. Alright, we found that one, and it's a number 2. And this is my Mastercraft Maximum screwdriver that I did a tool review on. Let's see it in action. Make sure you put the bolts in a nice spot that you won't lose them, so I'm just going to put them in my case for now. That way I know I won't lose them. Now, this case should come apart, but put it back upside down because you got to take these 3 bolts off here. You don't get to get to the access for the car. Block you in that video here. The reason why I'm doing it myself is the fact that the dealer was going to charge me an hour's labor plus the part. Well, the part itself, it was $62.83 Canadian for just the cord. So I've already taken it apart for the interior cleaning everything, make sure everything's clean, proper maintenance, so I know how it looks like inside. So, alright, so now that part comes off, this part here, the bumper, and it helps, and it serves as well as the cord to hold the cord. as you can see now, the cord's right here. Comes down. All right, now we want to flip the unit over. Whatever direction you're more, like I'm right-handed, so I prefer it this way. And now open it gently, and you'll see there's cord, power cord connected here. All right, then you have 3 connections inside. So you'll need a pair of snips and cut the zip tie. There we go. Get the zip tie off. And now you'll have 3 connections, 3 wires in here. So, there's only 2 wires to the power cord. You have the black, I hope you can see, there's the black and the white. Orange, we do not touch. That's from the motor directly to the on and off switch. You do not want to touch that one. It's not necessary for our application for this repair. So we have the white and the black. They come with these crimp-on connectors. Well, they come with 2 new connectors in the package, so we have to uncrimp these. So a regular pair of pliers or that you can get to open them up to get them off. There we go. That's one connection. So we have to remember, all the white go together, and all the black go together. So very simple. Sometimes these can be quite stubborn. So don't lose patience, just take your time. Even if you have to grab a different pair of pliers. There we go. See how that came off? So now we have 2 black wires and the 2 white. So now you can pull the cord off the unit. Well, the cord is broken in here. They have this joint, it's cracked. So when you move the vacuum and crank, it would turn on, off, and off. It's a nuisance. Alright, this is the old power cord. So this is garbage. One recommendation, always make sure you use, when you repair your own machine, take your time, and if you need, take pictures. Pictures are gold when you take stuff apart. Because I've already been through this in this machine before, I really don't need to take pictures or mental notes because I've already taken it apart. Alright, next step, unwrapping the new part. Be careful when you open the package because there is small little parts in here for the repair. Okay, both connectors in the corner. Alright, now we have the brand new cord, direct replacement from TriStar. So you know it's the proper equipment, and you know after the job done, your machine should work as manufactured built. Alright, so the power cord, and it comes with these 2 little crimp connectors that you will need. So first step, alright, now it's the reverse. So it comes with these 2, the black and the white. They keep them on there, you just pull these little 2 tabs off, and give them a little bit of a twist. Alright. Now there's a hole in the casing right here where you feed the 2 wires through. You push the block, it's like a square block, into the case. Then the wires should stick up. I hope you can see that. 2 wires are right here. Right like that. So now we have a black, 1 black, and we have these 2 whites. So like before, 2 whites, all the 3 whites go together. So what we do is twist all 3 whites together. Oop, that didn't work out. Let's try this again. Alright. So what we'll do is take all 3 of them and put them all together. And we twist them all together. Nice and firm. And we take one of the brand new connectors, slide it over top. Make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. And then you take your pliers Alright, we have one nice and firmly installed. Then try pulling on it. If it comes off, it means it's not right. Then you got the 2 whites, the 2 black, I mean, that the black are the power one. The white are the return. Then you take the 2 black, twist them together. And then you follow the same principle. You put the connector on it. Oops. Connector. Alright, twist the connector on there real good. You grab your pliers. And it's on there. Alright, so we have the wires connected to the top. Alright. Now, we'll just put the lid there. Alright, so okay. So now, we just put it all back together. For demonstration purposes, I'll put it back together, but I'll have to take it back to put a zip tie. But for the video, I will show you how to put it back together. So, put the lid back on. And then you reinstall this piece here. You push the cord back into the unit, make sure the cord's in there. So, I can push it in there, and you take this component, put it there. Then you grab your 3 bolts. Then you finish putting all the screws back in. That's right here, and right here. And you put filter back on. And your case. And you're ready to go. All fixed and ready to suck some more dirt for you. Alright, well, I hope this video was helpful for any TriStar owner with a power cord issue. So I hope you enjoy this do-it-yourself video on a vacuum repair. And until next time, subscribe or like. And this is Rob from Tools of the Trade, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Alright, you guys all take care.